Myself Sabyasachi Ghosh from Department of I.T.I, Government I.T.I.
Hello everyone, today I will discuss about thermit welding. Thermit welding is a welding process which used extensively to join thick plates. This was used for the welding of large sections such as locomotive rails, ship hulls and repairing of broken large castings. In thermit welding, the source of heat is exothermic reaction of thermit mixture. In our screen, we can see a figure that shows the setup of a thermit welding. Thermit welding is basically a similar process that of a casting, where we ignite a thermit mixture that is consists of aluminium and iron oxide, and sometimes barium peroxide can also be added to help in ignition. When the ignition is initiated, the thermit mixture get melted and provide the filler metal which is essential for the joint. The molten metal obtained from thermit reaction is poured into the refractory cavity made around the joint. Two pieces which have to be joined are cleaned and the edge is prepared accordingly. Then the wax is poured into the joint to form pattern where the weld is to be obtained. After that, molding flux is prepared. Thermit mixture mixed with the flux is fitted into the ladle. Barium peroxide or magnesium is placed on the top of thermit mixture as ignition mixture, which is lighted by a heated metal rod. When the thermit mixture gets melted, it is allowed to flow into the mold and then the weld joint is allowed to cool slowly. Thermit welding is making a fast weld and provide a very strong welding joint. For welding steel, powder of aluminium and iron oxide is used as we have discussed earlier, and barium peroxide or magnesium can also be added to help in ignition of the thermit mixture. When this thermit welding is brought into 1200 degrees Celsius, then exothermic reaction starts. In the reaction, ferric oxide reacts with aluminium and form iron and aluminium oxide and produce enormous amount of heat. The chemical reaction takes place is as follows. Temperature reaches to 3000 degrees Celsius in which both iron and aluminium oxide are in molten state. Aluminium oxide is floats on the top of the steel as it is lighter than steel. This reaction continues till the thermit mixture in the vessel or ladle is completely reduced. Though the temperature is 3088 degrees Celsius theoretically, but actually it reduces to 2500 degrees Celsius due to heat loss. The total reaction happen in just 1 minute and do not depend on amount of thermit mixture that are used during welding. There are different types of thermit mixtures available and those are used as per their requirement. For welding copper cables, following thermit mixture could be used. So this was a short introduction on thermit welding. Hope you have understand the concept. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.